Hey, what's up? Sami here. Today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing and a hands-on of the newly released smartwatch from Huami, the Amazfit Stratos 3. On the back of the box you can see some more information about the watch, like 300 mAh battery, HRSA. Let's just open the box. And here we are, the Stratos 3. It looks amazing. Let's take off the film first. Here's 4 physical buttons on the right, which are power button, back button, up and down key. On the back, still looks like its predecessor, has heart rate monitor and the charging contacts. The wristband material is the skin-friendly floral rubber, which is comfortable to wear. Now let's put it on. While we're waiting for boosting, let's check out what else in the box. A charging cable, obviously, a pretty detailed user guide for running. That's interesting, as we normally don't see this kind of manual, right? And lastly, a manual for the smartwatch. Stratos combines multi-materials and techniques, including the 1.34-inch JDI customized full moon reflective color display that can be seen clearly even under bright sunlight. Imported titanium alloy that looks so durable, delicate minute markers, and a hand-polished ceramic bezel. Okay, it's finally on. The official says it needs 7 minutes to initiate the first time. Just scan the QR and allow the access authorization, and there you go. I can't just wait to see what's new here. The first page issues the smartwatch name, OS, storage, and battery. You can choose what you want to display for the smartwatch here. As I've got is a Chinese version, so that's why in Chinese. I'm sure it will update pretty soon, and we'll do another video as well. So stay subscribed. Here you can change your watch dial interface. Only 8 available so far. Hope more in the future. When not checking the operation gesture, here if you press the up and down key directly, it won't work. Have to press the power key first. You can see numerous sports modes. You can either slide up down by the touch screen or the keys. Oh my gosh, it supports 19 sport modes. Let's click in the outdoor running mode. You can see the GPS, a running target, training options, dresser. Not so much difference comparing to its predecessor. Slide down from the watch homepage, you get access to shortcuts like brightness, don't disturb choice, settings, HRSA. Slide left, you can see options like health, heart rate, sports and sports recording. Those I like to test the heart rate monitor, but I got limited time. Sure, I will put a detailed review video out later, so please subscribe to my channel. Slide right is the notification. Slide up is the steps and correspond to those. One last thing I have to mention is the Ultra mode feature. It will have 14 days battery life, which is twice longer than the intelligent mode. That's the video, guys. Very simple and quick. And what do you want to know more about it? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you next time.